Hey guys, it's Rhonda Brzozowiec here from Buffalo, New York, and I was working at my desk this morning, and really quick, I just wanted to come on here and show you what happened this weekend. It's super exciting. This new launch is super exciting because it's not like anything else out there. Nothing like anything I've ever seen on the market. And you're going to be able to offer these software products to all kinds of business owners and marketers that are really going to help their business and earn $200 sales for every commission, $200 commissions for everything, and let the AI bot close the sales and do the work for you. It doesn't get easier than that. So hold on, take a look. Okay guys, so I am sharing my screen. This is the inbox of my email that I'm using for my software business. And once again, this business is, all you do is you share a phone number, or you can share a website link, whatever you prefer, but the phone number is super easy. This is a worldwide opportunity. Once you share that phone number, they go into a system and you actually have an AI bot take over for you. So as you can see, this is January 23rd, which was yesterday, 2022. And these are all the people who either called my number or opted into the website. It's that easy. And once they're in here, now I don't even have to do anything. This AI bot is automatically going to send them all the information that they need. So here we go. Starting January 23rd, I'm going to keep scrolling up. All these people. Here's a new sign up. Have requested in or signed up. A couple new signups there. And as you can see, here I'm going to the today, all the way up, scrolling up, another new sign up, people opting in to get information about this business because it's totally different. And I'm scrolling along here all the way to the top. There we go, till 10:41 a.m. was the last person that opted in. You can see it's my software business, MSB, new MSB sign up. This system is so easy. You're legitimately, you have products to share with them that every business owner can use. And like I said, the AI bot takes over for you, gives them all the information they need so they can just sign up. And from there, you can welcome them to the team, welcome them into the, they're going to be given the groups on Facebook to help them get all the information, get started as quickly as possible. We do have a 6K blueprint for those of you on our team. So if you want some more information, I'm going to have that phone number. My phone number is available in the US and Canada. You can pick whatever countries you want, since this is worldwide, for that phone number to be available to. Or you can, like I said, you also do get your own website number. So I just wanted to show you, look at how crazy this is. All these opt-ins just from yesterday to today. That's how simple this is. Check the phone number or the link below, and I'll also have a link where you can contact me if you'd like to chat with me. I'm happy to talk with anybody. So thanks for watching.